Everybody will be sleeping, but these dogs are always awake. What's up and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, consider subscribing this channel. So today is Sunday 23rd of June 2019. In the city of Bangalore there's an event going on named World Motorcycle Day. So I will be joining this motorcycle club called the Lichens. So let's just see how exciting it gets. My friend who is riding in front of me, his name is NIkhil Hande and he has his own YouTube channel. I will put that in the description, you can check out, and also can follow him on Instagram. He's a very good biker. We were waiting for the Lichens team to join us over here near Yeshwantpur, but we found out that they are on the other side of the road, so we have to go ahead and cross the road and join them over there.
Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಮೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ವಿ, ಲೈಕನ್ಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅಪ್ರಿಲಾ ರೈಡರ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಬ್, ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲಬ್ಸ್. ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ 4 o'clock ಎದ್ದು ರಾತ್ರಿ ಯಾರು ನಿದ್ದೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಸ್ಯಾಟರ್ಡೆ ನೈಟ್ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ. ಎಣ್ಣೆ ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ, ಬರೀ ಗಾಡಿಗೆ ಎಣ್ಣೆ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಲೀಡ್ ಇರೋನು 2 ಪೈಲ್ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಗೋ ಟು ಎ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 2 ಪೈಲ್. ಸೊ ಹಂಗೆ 2 ಪೈಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ತುಂಬ ಇದೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅಡ್ಮಿನ್ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಪೈಲ್ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಗೋ ಟು ಯುವರ್ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್.
We had a quick introduction and instruction session about what the event is and how is it going to be, and for our safety they gave us few instructions. So from here we will be going to the metro mall where all the bikers will assemble, and from there we will be heading towards the event. Well, even I was not aware that at the first point we will be meeting up in the mall, the metro mall, in Yeshwanthpur, and from there we will be going towards the event of World Motorcycle Day, that is in Nelmangla. So this is where all the bikers have assembled, and from here we will be going to Nelmangla, where the event is going on of today's World Motorcycle Day.
Where are we going? Deep in your butt. Arshad Nagraj. Attendance.
So we have left that place, and now we are heading towards Nelmangla. If you observe the person riding in front of me, he is raising his hand and showing two fingers like a victory symbol. Well, that doesn't mean the same. Well, it means that the bunch of bikers who are riding along, if he shows two fingers up, then we should be riding in two lanes. The bikers should be riding in two lanes. And if the person is showing only one finger up, then the rider should be riding in one lane, a single lane. Here are a bunch of bikers. Well, here is another bunch of bikers. There are bikers everywhere today. So finally we entered the Dharamshi resorts. This is where the World Motorcycle Day 2019 event is going on. WND 2019. ऐसा व्लॉगिंग कर रहा है. Well, they said this is a complimentary drink, but we did pay for the registration. Let's continue with the video.
The title of the song is Araya. DJ, you got my phone right there. Can you play Araya?
ಸೇರಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ಯಾ ನಡಿ ನಡಿ ಹೌದಾ Nikhil left his bag back in the place, so we are heading backwards. Well, luckily the bag is present over there, so peace. Well, that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching the video. If you like the video, please give a big fat thumbs up and do consider subscribing my channel. Until next time, ride safe, live safe.